Getting your goods out of the door as soon as possible is critical. But what if there is a missed or incomplete code? Are you willing to risk product waste or even non-compliance fines? There are many aspects to product coding. What equipment do I need? Can it keep up with my line speeds? Are consumables reliable and economical? But most importantly, is the code actually present? Is it positioned in the right place and of a quality in keeping with my brand? Don't jeopardize production or your reputation. Ensure the code is present and correctly placed by using a reliable thermal transfer coding system, SmartDate from Markem Imaje, and then checking the code as soon as it is printed with the cost-effective standalone Detect Plus. Easy to install, the Detect Plus comes with a user-friendly setup wizard that takes the pain out of getting the system up and running. Available as an option at time of purchase or an upgrade kit for an existing installation, Detect Plus builds on the proven benefits of the SmartDate family of TTO coders, allowing you to print, check, and confirm code presence and quality on the packaging film itself, even at high speeds. Confirmation of a successful code is shown directly on the SmartDate's simple user interface, without any complex software integration or additional hardware. While event logging and configurable on-screen counters give you up-to-the-minute performance information. This keeps production flowing as seamlessly as possible, with issues identified and rectified at the coding stage. SmartDate and Detect Plus. A simple, cost-effective combination that reduces errors while boosting efficiency and profitability. Print, check, confirm.